हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी। वेलकम टू द चैनल। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर सेवेंथ एंड लास्ट वीडियो ऑफ द एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ ऑफ स्पीडी। ये स्पीडी अक्टूबर 2024 की लेटेस्ट स्पीडी है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। लास्ट के कुछ 110 क्वेश्चंस बचे हैं, इनको कंप्लीट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ रिसेंटली इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ बिहार हैज़ द फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ द स्टेट फर्स्ट रिवर फ्रंट बीन लेड। करेक्ट आंसर है भोजपुर। Which famous stadium of India has been renamed as Niranjan Shah Stadium? So correct answer is Saurashtra Cricket Stadium, which is in Gujarat. Where was the fourth edition of Khelo India Winter Games held? तो ये कंडक्ट कराया गया था जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में। Who has become the first woman scientist to win GD Birla Award for Scientific Research? तो ये अवार्ड मिला है अदिति सेन दे को। Who has recently become India's first female pitch curator? तो ये जसिंथा कल्याण जी बनी हैं। Who has received the Best Film Award at the दादा साहब फाल्के इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल अवार्ड फॉर द ईयर 2024? तो ये अवार्ड मिला है जवान को। Which edition of Raisina Dialogue was recently organized in New Delhi with the theme Chaturanga, Struggle, Competition, Collaboration and Construction? Correct answer is 9th Raisina Dialogue was organized. Also अगर मैं न्यू दिल्ली की बात करूँ तो न्यू दिल्ली में कंडक्ट की गई है G20 की समिट 2023 में, जिसका कि मोटो था वसुदैव कुटुंबकम। तो ये भी आप ध्यान रखना। Which country has become the 119th member country of the International Solar Alliance? तो ये माल्टा बनी है। ऑल्सो इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस की मैं बात करूँ तो ये 2019 में बनाया गया था। एंड इसे बनाया किसने था? इसने बनाया था इंडिया और फ्रांस ने। फ्रांस को चेयर था एंड इंडिया वॉज द चेयर। ऑल्सो हेडक्वार्टर की मैं बात करूँ तो हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ द ISA इज सिचुएटेड इन गुरुग्राम, which is in India. ठीक है। No. Who has received the Best Film Award at the BAFTA Awards 2024? Oppenheimer. Also, Oppenheimer is also won the Oscar Award of 2024. ये भी आप ध्यान रखना। Recently, Kazi Nemu has become the state fruit of which state? Important question है। Correct answer is Assam. अगर मैं गुजरात की बात करूँ तो गुजरात की स्टेट फिश की बात करूँ तो वो घोल है। ये भी आप ध्यान रखना। Which eminent writer and Congress leader has been honored with the France highest civilian honor, Knight of the Legion of Honor? तो ये मिला है शशि थरूर को। इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, आप ये ध्यान रखिएगा। Which country female cricketer Amy Hunter has won the ICC Player of the Month award for January 2024? So this has been won by Ireland. No. On whose birthday National Women Day is celebrated on 13th Feb? तो National Women Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. Also, Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress. अगर मैं बात करूं कि इन्होंने कौन सा सेशन में प्रिसाइड किया था तो वो कानपुर सेशन था 1924 का। अगर मैं बात करूं फर्स्ट वुमेन प्रेसिडेंट की तो फर्स्ट वुमेन प्रेसिडेंट इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की वो थी हमारी एनी बेसेंट। ठीक है जी, चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। Recently, Karpuri Thakur, Lal Krishna Advani, Narasimha Rao, Chaudhary Charan Singh and M. Swaminathan has received Bharat Ratna Award. How many celebrities have received this award so far? अभी तक के टोटल भारत रत्न रेसिपिएंट की बात की गई है तो 53 टोटल हैं अभी तक। इस साल वाले आप याद रखना, कर्पूरी ठाकुर, लाल कृष्ण अडवाणी, नरसिम्हा राव, चौधरी चरण सिंह एंड M. स्वामीनाथन। ठीक है। Which famous Indian teacher has received the golden visa of UAE? Correct answer is Anant Kumar. Recently, it has been announced to create two new districts, Kai Penywar and Bichom in Arunachal Pradesh. What is the total number of district in the state? तो टोटल नंबर हो जाते हैं 28। ऑल्सो अगर मैं लद्दाख की बात करूं तो लद्दाख में 5 न्यू डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स बनाए गए हैं एंड लद्दाख में टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स जो हैं वो उनकी संख्या 7 हो चुकी है। विच हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया टू इम्प्लीमेंट द यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड बिल? तो करेक्ट आंसर है उत्तराखंड। Who has become the 50th person to receive the Bharat Ratna award? Correct answer is Lal Krishna Advani. Who has recently become the first woman Subedar of the Indian Army? Correct answer is Preeti Rajak. Which foundation day has the Indian Coast Guard celebrated on 1st February 2024? तो ये सेलिब्रेट किया गया है 48th। Who launched PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana on Feb 13, 2024? So it was launched by Narendra Modi. What position has India got among 180 countries in the recently released Corruption Perception Index of the year 2023? Correct answer हो जाएगा 93rd rank. Which has become the first state of India to launch road safety force? Important question है, इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा पंजाब। Who has won the women's singles title in the Australian Open? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा आर्यन सबलेंका। Which birth anniversary of the great freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai has been celebrated on January 28, 2024? तो ये जो है वो 159th एनिवर्सरी थी। Who has won the men's single title in the Australian Open 24? ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन टाइटल जो है वो यानिक सिनर ने जीता है। Where was the 3-day International Geeta Mahotsav organized? So it was organized in Colombo. For which film has Ranbir Kapoor received the Best Actor award at the Filmfare Award 2024? Animal. In which state self-balancing electric scooter was launched under smart policing? Correct answer is Uttarakhand. Which country female cricketer Nat Shivar Brunt has received the Best Player of the Year award at the ICC Awards 2023? Correct answer is England. Which male cricketer has received the Best Player of the Year award at the ICC Award 2023? Correct answer is Pat Cummins. Which has become the fifth country to reach moon? Correct answer हो जाएगा इसका जापान। फोर्थ कंट्री कौन सी थी? फोर्थ कंट्री थी हमारी इंडिया। Under which operation has the Railway Protection Force recently reunited more than 549 children with their family? Correct answer हो जाएगा ऑपरेशन नन्हे फरिश्ते। With whom has the Cochin International Airport Limited signed an agreement for the green hydrogen project? Important question है। Correct answer हो जाएगा BPCL. Also, Cochin International Airport is first airport to operate fully on solar energy. How many children have recently been given the Prime Minister National Children Award for the year 2024? Correct answer is 19. Who has been honored with the KPP Nambiar Award recently? तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा श्रीधर सोमनाथ। Which IIT has launched India's largest drone pilot training facility? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा IIT गुवाहाटी। Where will India's largest green hydrogen production plant be established? तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका विशाखापट्टनम। इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये। Where has the naval exercise Milan 2024 been organized? तो ये ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ है विशाखापट्टनम में। In which state Himalayan basket has been launched recently? तो उत्तराखंड is the correct answer. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has been elected as Rajya Sabha member from which state? Correct answer is Odisha. How many medals did India win in the Asian Indoor Athletics Championship? Correct answer हो जाएगा 4. Which male cricketer has received the ICC Player of the Month honor for January 2024? Correct answer हो जाएगा Shamad Joseph from West Indies. India's first Skill India Center have been inaugurated. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा संबलपुर, ओडिशा। ठीक है, सी नहीं होगा, बी होगा। मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज शांति प्रयास 4 वॉज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन विच कंट्री? तो नेपाल। Who has been named as the state icon of Punjab under the voter awareness campaign? Correct answer is Shubman Gill. हेनलीज पासपोर्ट इंडेक्स 2024 में इंडिया का रैंक क्या है? तो इंडिया का रैंक है 85th। इन विच स्टेट प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी लेड फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ श्री कल्की धाम टेम्पल? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा उत्तर प्रदेश। हु हैज़ बीन नॉमिनेटेड फॉर द 58th ज्ञानपीठ अवार्ड? करेक्ट आंसर है बोथ ए एंड बी, मतलब गुलजार एंड one another. PM Vishwakarma Yojana has been started by which ministry? It has been started by Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. In which state has the foundation stone of Komuraveli railway station has been laid? So it has been laid in Telangana. How much has the annual grant been increased to under Mukhyamantri Kanya Sumangala Yojana in Uttar Pradesh? तो ये इंक्रीज करके कर दिया गया है 25,000 रुपीज़। इन विच स्टेट डिड PM मोदी अनवील दी 125 फीट हाई स्टैचू ऑफ बीर लचित बोरफुकन? सो ही वॉज द फेमस किंग ऑफ अहोम डायनेस्टी। ठीक है, एंड अहोम डायनेस्टी जो थी इट रूल्ड इन द एरियाज ऑफ असम। ठीक है, तो करेक्ट आंसर वुड बी असम। In which state assembly the Uniform Civil Code Bill was introduced? So correct answer is Uttarakhand. Who has been elected as the Speaker of the Bihar Assembly? Correct answer is Nand Kishore Yadav. National Women's Day is celebrated every year on which day? It is celebrated on 13th Feb. Where was first Digital India Future Skill Summit organized? It was organized in Guwahati. Which state government has recently launched Swayam scheme? So it has been launched by Odisha. On which island group is India going to establish a new naval base? A new naval base will be established in Minicoy as well as Agatti. In which state is Gupteshwar Forest, which has been designated as the State Biodiversity Heritage Site? Very important question. Correct answer is Gupteshwar Forest कहाँ है? तो ओडिशा में। The famous Jain Sant Acharya Vidyasagar Maharaj passed away. In which state he was born? So he was born in Karnataka. Where was the new statue of India's first Chief of Defence Staff, late General Bipin Rawat, unveiled? So it was unveiled in Dehradun. In which two countries has UPI payment system been launched recently? तो UPI system जो है वो लॉन्च हुआ है श्रीलंका एंड मॉरिशस में। Who won the single title of Chennai Open Tennis Tournament recently? तो सुमित नागल। In which city has the South India Cultural Center been established? So it has been established in Hyderabad. Which country won the title of ICC Under-19 World Cup? So it has been won by Australia. Who is the first Sri Lankan cricketer to score a double century in one day? Correct answer is Pathum Nissanka. Which state celebrated its 38th Foundation Day on 20th Feb? Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Who has been appointed as a new chairman of BPSC? New chairman of BPSC is Sudhakar Singh. Where will the World Government Summit 2024 organized? Important question है। Correct answer है दुबई। Who is the chairman of One Nation One Election Committee? बहुत important committee है ये। Correct answer इसका क्या है? रामनाथ कोविंद जी। Who was declared the joint winner of SAF Women Under-19 Championship with India? Correct answer is Bangladesh. In which country was the 7th Indian Ocean Conference organized? बहुत important question है। Correct answer is Australia. Who recently launched the Vidyanjali Scholarship Program? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है फिर से। करेक्ट आंसर है धर्मेंद्र प्रधान। विच कंट्री रिसेंटली अनाउंस वीज़ा फ्री ट्रैवल फॉर इंडियन सिटीजन्स? करेक्ट आंसर इज ईरान। In which state Deenbandhu Chotu Ram Thermal Power Plant is located? It is located in Haryana. India Energy Week 2024 was organized in which state? Important question है। Correct answer is Goa. Where was the foundation stone of country's first digital national archive laid? बहुत important question है। Correct answer है हैदराबाद। In which city was the first BIMSTEC Aquatic Championship organized? बहुत important question है ये भी। Correct answer है न्यू दिल्ली। मेरा गांव मेरी धरोहर प्रोग्राम इज एन इनिशिएटिव ऑफ विच मिनिस्ट्री? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पंचायती राज एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर। हाउ many एयर रूट्स आर करेंटली बीइंग ऑपरेटेड इन द कंट्री अंडर RCS उड़ान स्कीम? करेक्ट आंसर इज 519। with which weather satellite was launched by ISRO with the help of GSLV F-14 rocket? तो करेक्ट आंसर है इनसैट 3DS। ये इनसैट जो है दिस इज अ वेदर सैटेलाइट। नो। विच हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट यूरोपियन कंट्री टू एक्सेप्ट द यूनिफाइड पेमेंट्स UPI? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये। करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? फ्रांस। विच हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट कंट्री इन यूरोपियन यूनियन टू इशू डिजिटल शेनिगन वीज़ा? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। करेक्ट आंसर इज फ्रांस। Who won the Best Global Music Album Award at the Grammy 2024? Correct answer है This Movement. Who has recently made the record of spending maximum time in space? Correct answer हो जाएगा इसका Oleg Kononenko. How much has the center increased the target of लापति नहीं है लखपति दीदी योजना? तो कितना बढ़ाया है? It has been increased to 3 crore. Who is the chairman of उत्तर प्रदेश यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड कमिटी? करेक्ट आंसर क्या है इसका? करेक्ट आंसर है रंजना प्रकाश देसाई। वेयर वॉज एक्सरसाइज वायु शक्ति 2024 ऑर्गेनाइज बाय द एयरफोर्स? ये ऑर्गेनाइज हुई थी जैसलमेर में। इंडियन क्रिकेटर यशस्वी जायसवाल स्कोर्ड हिज फर्स्ट टेस्ट सेंचुरी अगेंस्ट विच कंट्री? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज वेस्ट इंडीज। विच मिनिस्ट्री हैज़ बीन एलोकेटेड द मैक्सिमम बजट इन द इंटरिम बजट? तो सबसे ज़्यादा एलोकेशन जो भी हो मिलता मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस को ही है। पिछले 5 ईयर्स से सबसे ज़्यादा जो बजट का एलोकेशन होता है वो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस को होता है। विच एयरपोर्ट हैज़ रिसेंटली बीन गिवन द स्टेटस ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर है सूरत एयरपोर्ट। Where was the foundation of the first naturopathy hospital of North East India laid? तो ये बनाया गया था डिब्रूगढ़ में। Who won the FIH Hockey 5S Women World Cup title? तो ये टाइटल मिला है नीदरलैंड को। Who won the gold in the men's 10-meter air rifle shooting event at ISSF World Cup 2024? तो ये मिला है दिव्यांश सिंह पनवर को। Who has become the batsman to score the fastest triple century in first class cricket? Correct answer is Tanmay Agrawal. Which state government has started road safety force? Correct answer है Punjab. Who has become the second company in the world to cross the market capitalization of 100 trillion? तो ये कंपनी का नाम है Microsoft. Who won the Best Film Award in the 69th Filmfare Awards? Correct answer है 12th Fail. Who inaugurated the All India campaign Our Constitution Our Respect? तो ये प्रोग्राम was started by Jagdeep Dhankar and he is the Vice President of India. Halwa ceremony is related to which event? It is related to the process of preparing budget. Who won the ICC Men's T20 Cricketer of the Year award? The award has been given to Surya Kumar Yadav. Who has directed the documentary To Kill a Tiger nominated for Oscar 2024? Important question है। Correct answer is Nisha Kahuja. Who has been given Polly Umrigar Award for Best International Cricketer in Men's category for the year 2022-23? Correct answer is Shubman Gill. Karpuri Thakur will be honored with the Bharat Ratna. He was the former Chief Minister of which state? He was the former Chief Minister of Bihar. Pradhan Mantri Suryodaya Yojana is related to rooftop solar panel. Who has been awarded at the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award 2024 in the institutional category? Award has been given to 60 Parachute Field Hospital. Who has been honored with the Uttar Pradesh Gaurav Samman? So correct answer is Ritu Karidhal Srivastava and Naveen Tiwari. इंडियन ओपन 2024 वुमेन सिंगल्स का टाइटल किसने जीता है? ताई जू यिंग, चाइनीज़ प्लेयर हैं ये. Who is the chief architect of the construction of Ayodhya Ram Temple? Correct answer is चंद्रका सोमपुरा. अरुण योगीराज जो हैं, इन्होंने जो है वो जो मूर्ति है राम जी की उनको डिज़ाइन किया है. ठीक है. With this we have finished all the 812 questions of speedy. ठीक है. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, डू लाइक द वीडियो, कमेंट सेक्शन करके बताना आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी, एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड शेयर द वीडियो एज मच एज पॉसिबल. टिल देन कीप स्टडिंग. थैंक यू. और हाँ, अगर इसकी PDF चाहिए होगी तो डू ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम चैनल. टेलीग्राम चैनल पर मैं PDF प्रोवाइड कर दूँगा. ठीक है. टिल देन बाय.